Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pico de Gallo. You can use Pico de Gallo on tacos or on burritos. You can use it in any Mexican dishes. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. So you will need tomatoes, red onion. If you don't like red onions, you can choose the yellow or white onions, jalapeno. The jalapeno over here, since I like it spicy, so I don't remove the seed. But if you don't like spicy, please remove the seed. Cilantro. For the seasoning, you will need salt and pepper, and then a juice from 1 lime. Now let's start making it. So what I do with my ingredients, I pretty much dice them all. So after you dice this, just add the seasoning. I'm gonna use for about, let's say, half teaspoon of salt and a little bit of black pepper to taste, juice of 1 lime, and then now our cilantro. Now what you need to do is just mix everything evenly. Alright guys, so after you mix them evenly, taste if you like the seasoning. If you need a little bit more seasoning, this is the time you add a little bit more seasoning. So add a little bit of salt or pepper depending on how you like it. And after that, you have to leave this alone or leave it on the side for at least half an hour. So what it does, the salt is gonna draw a lot of moisture from the tomatoes or the onion. Then it will be ready to serve. So one more time, after you mix it, just leave it alone for about 30 minutes. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.